typical type of dribbling. All the teams have 3 rules to defend, 2 rules to attack. And by movement, stop. Sir? Can you go back?
I'm back to the beginning.
I'm not prepared that. So in fact, by the movement of the ball, we ask the kids to create some space. Because the philosophy of Python is the possession of the ball and movement of the ball. So we are asking the kids to move without the ball to create some space for the partners. So sometimes, yeah, that means the number 2, by his movement, I create some space for the number 6. We can score now. So sometimes with the paper, kids don't understand clearly the exercise. So by this technique, it's more clear now, clearly for them. Again, number 1 is moving, number 2 is moving, and then the number 4 is moving for defense, and the 6 got no space to score. So this is what we're trying to do now for the kids, and hopefully it will be a good news and a good way to learn football in India.